Fireworks fun. Try a colorful experiment. You'll need a large glass, a medium glass, water, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, food coloring, and a fork. Step 1. Fill the large glass with water. Leave a bit of room at the top. Step 2. Pour vegetable oil into the medium glass. Add a few drops of different colors of food coloring. Step 3. Gently run the fork through the oil to break the food coloring into small drops. Don't mix it too much though. Step 4. Slowly add the oil by pouring it against the side of the large glass. Wait a few seconds and see what happens. Dr. Zed explains, food coloring doesn't immediately dissolve in oil, so it sits on the surface of the water. Eventually, the color leaks out of the oil and into the water below. When that happens, you get colorful explosions. Have fun experimenting!